Hello, Champion George Dwyer here for the George's Life Cooking Show. As you can see in today's episode of our cooking show, I'm sharing with you how I started this journey of plant-based foods from August of 2018 to the present, which is April 15th, 2020. I was 290 pounds. I was on a sleep apnea machine. I was pre-diabetic and a whole host of things that were on the way out, and I decided to go plant-based, eat healthy foods, and now you look and see we're right at about 250, 255, and this is just the start. And I just want to share with you these pictures of how I started off as being overweight, unhappy, to you start to see the real smiles on my face, and all of these delicious recipes that I'm sharing, from breakfast type recipes all the way up to desserts at the end here. So with that said, this is just the start of the journey. I'm George Dwyer from George's Live Cooking Show. You guys are awesome. Make sure you hit the link below, subscribe, tell me what you like best about what you just saw, and also share the word, because we're impacting and changing lives one recipe at a time with our amazing, awesome recipes. God bless.